What's that?
I put mine down into the tablet bubble on it.
Yeah. Jossie and I play a drinking game. You blew 3 bubbles. Now what do we do? Now we gotta drink.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Gonna blow more bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
And my face.
They did. But that was 3 bubbles. What does that mean?
Wait.
Drink. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Jocelyn, did you bring this? Or did Grandma have this?
We got that at the store for her baby.
Oh, that's for the baby.
That's her.
got it.
Yeah. Her bite it. Cheers.
No, we're bought it.
Oh, her bought it. Yes, her bought it. Oh, you forgot to cheers me. Cheers. Oh, no.
Little bit.
What was that for?
Little bit in my mouth.
Well, why did that happen?
Because there was what in my mouth.
Well, we want water in your mouth. Are we ready to blow some more bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay.